Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Gyan Kosh. Today we are going to discuss question answer of chapter 1 India's size and location of contemporary India 1 of class 9. Question 1. Choose the right answer from the four alternatives given below. 1. The Tropic of Cancer does not pass through. Answer B. Orissa. Second, the easternmost longitude of India is answer 97 minute 25 east. Third, Uttaranchal, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Sikkim have common frontiers with answer C. Nepal. Fourth, if you intend to visit Kavarti during your summer vacations, which one of the following union territories of India you will be going to? Answer Lakshadweep. Fifth, my friend hails from a country which does not share land boundary with India. Identify the country. Answer B. Tajikistan. Question 2. Answer the following question briefly. Question 1. Name the group of islands lying in the Arabian Sea. Answer Lakshadweep. Second. Name the countries which are larger than India. Answer Russia, Canada, China, USA, Brazil and Australia. Third. Which island group of India lies to its southeast? Answer Andaman and Nicobar group of islands. Fourth, which island countries are four southern neighbors? Answer Maldives, Sri Lanka. Question 3. The sun rises 2 hours earlier in Uttaranchal Pradesh as compared to Gujarat in the west, but the watches show the same time. How does this happen? Answer from the longitudinal extent of India, it is observed that the longitudinal expanse is about 30 minutes from west to east. This means that there would be a time lag of 2 hours approximately from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. To avoid such differences in local time, Indian Standard Time has been fixed to give the whole country a uniform time. The local time of the standard meridian of 82 minutes 30 east is observed as the standard time by the whole country. Because of this reason, we find that the sun rises 2 hours earlier in Arunachal Pradesh as compared to Gujarat in the west, but the watches show at the same time. Question 4. The central location of India at the head of the Indian Ocean is considered of great significance. Why? Answer. The central location of India at the head of the Indian Ocean is considered of great significance because A. It has given India a strategic advantage due to the trans-Indian Ocean routes which connect the countries of Europe in the west and the countries of East Asia. B. This helps India to establish close contact with West Asia, Africa and Europe from the western coast and with the southwest and East Asia from the eastern coast. C. The vast coastline and the natural harbors have benefited India in carrying out trade, the commerce with its neighboring and distant countries since ancient times. D. It has given India a distinct climate than the rest of the Asian continent. E. No other country has such a long coastline on the Indian Ocean as India. It is India's eminent position in the Indian Ocean which has given the name of an ocean after it. Thank you.